Hey, to enable this two-step verification on your TikTok account, first of all, you will have to start from your profile and then tap on the right upper corner. From here, you will have to simply open the settings and the privacy, and next from here go into the security of your account. Now go into the two-step verification and you've got a couple of the options. So you are able to receive our verification code on the short messages, on the email, or by using the authenticator application, or using the password. So let's say that I want to enable this notification and receive a code on my email. So I'm gonna select only email, and okay, for some reason it doesn't work currently. So we have to enable like two-way for the two-step verification. So let's say that I want to do this with my email and the password. So now I'm gonna click the turn on, and from here I have to enter my email address. The address that is actually linked with this account. So in my case, I have to click to send the code, and now I'm gonna get the 6-digit code on my mail, and as you can see from here I already have the notification, and that's the code. So I have to click and hold it, then tap to copy, go back into the application, click with my finger, and then put it right here. Now I have to create the two-step verification password. So we've got some restrictions that we have to input maximum of the 20 characters, one letter and the one number, and one special character. And there's like at least 8 characters. And below we can also find the password strength, so it looks like this. And each time we get any of the restriction, we'll get the mark. So let me just create my account. I mean my password, and as you can see, if everything will be fine, you will get this 3 marks. So I have to add one special character, and it's finished. So now I can click next, and from here I'll have to also provide my phone number, but I don't need to. If you only enable it for your mail and this password, you can actually click skip, and you can also add some trusted devices. And as you can see right now, the two-step verification is turned on. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.